Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Bolt application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if the Bolt application is not working as properly as it is supposed to, or you're experiencing a few bugs, then this might be because the application is not updated to the latest version. So in order to fix this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Bolt and start your search. Now, once you find the Bolt application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on this button to install the latest updates. Just tap on this button and wait for a while until the update process is completed, and once it is done, you will once again see the open button. You can now click on this option to open up the Bolt application, and now the application will be running on the latest updates without any issues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Bolt application to its latest version. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.